Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video you will learn how you can add a divider, be it horizontal or vertical, to your pages on Notion really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to Notion, and as you can see I created a test page like this. And let's say for example I would like to add a horizontal divider first to divide these two lines here, content 1 from content 2. So what you want to do guys is apply this simple trick. You may for example press enter to make a free line or space between these two lines here. And after that, click on that plus icon here next to the given line and select divider from that list here to add, for example, a horizontal divider like that. After that, you may, for example, delete that space here. So as you can see, now these two lines here are divided or have been divided by that line here, by that divider. So you may, for example, move that line around here in your space and so on and so forth. The second option guys would be to simply press enter to access the next line, and after that use the dash key on your keyboard just like that. Press it several times, and after you press it, let's say 2 or 3 times, Notion will automatically convert it into a horizontal divider like this. That's the second trick. And you may, as previously mentioned, move these lines around here, these dividers, change the position just like that. So that's how you add a horizontal divider. The second option would be to add a vertical divider. And for this method, guys, you will need again to click on that plus icon here next to the free line. And from that list below, select the command quote. And after that, you will see a small or short vertical divider like this. So basically what you need to do, guys, is press a left shift on your keyboard and press enter on your keyboard to elongate that vertical divider, as you can see. And you can keep doing that and add a divider like this. And of course, guys, you may, for instance, move that divider, that vertical divider, around your page as well. For example, position it somewhere here. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. That's how you add dividers to your pages in Notion. Thanks for watching and see you next time.